Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Open App Store. Tap on this App Store icon. So we have to log in with Apple ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this search field. Then type WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp. Here we can see the search result. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Tap here. Then tap on this download and install button. Tap here. Now it's installing WhatsApp Messenger. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. Tap on open. Select agree and continue. Select allow. Here we need to enter the phone number. Then tap on next. In the next screen we need to enter the OTP. You will get OTP in your mobile phone. That OTP we have to enter in the next screen and verify. So this way we can download and install WhatsApp. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.